Hey, what's up everybody, this is Vincent CTK. In my last video, I did a full review on the BlackShark 3 Pro and a lot of you guys want me to do a battery drain test. So here I am, set it up for the test. Before I start the stopwatch, I would like to show you the battery level of the phone is 99% right now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play some games till the battery is completely dead. One more thing before I start, I would like to do some configuration on my phone. I will max out everything like the brightness, the resolution, HDR on, the refresh rate, CPU, and the volume as well. So you can call this an extreme test. After all the setup, let's get started. Alright, so the phone is completely dead. And gosh, this thing is hard to kill. Let's take a look of the time. So it took 4 hours and 39 minutes to kill this thing. I would say 4 hours and 40 minutes to be fair because I start at 99% And not to mention, I maxed out every setting on this phone, and that is insane. If I've averaged the setting a bit, it will gain another hour or two, no doubt. The BlackShark 3 Pro is a battery beast. As the phone is completely dead now, I think it's a very good chance to do a 0 to 100 charging test. I did a 50 to 100 charging test in my previous video. The result is a little bit disappointed. Hopefully this time we will get some surprise. Who knows? Let's find out. Okay, so the phone is now fully charged, and surprise surprise, it took me 39 minutes and 37 seconds, very close to what they said, 38 minutes. So it took me 4 hours and 40 minutes to kill this thing, but only just under 40 minutes to fully charge this thing again. That's just incredible. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. So that's it for today's videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of my new videos. So that's been it. I will catch you guys on the next one.